Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Snapchat ads for US audience targeting strategies, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate Snapchat ads for US audience targeting strategies, start by logging into your Snapchat Ads Manager account. If you don't have an account yet, create one by visiting the Snapchat Ads website. Once logged in, click on the Create Ads button to begin. Choose your campaign objective based on your marketing goals. Select a suitable objective, such as awareness, consideration, or conversion. Next, enter a name for your campaign to keep it organized. Set your budget by deciding on a daily or lifetime budget. After budgeting, navigate to the Ad Set section. In the Ad Set, define your audience parameters. For US targeting, choose the United States as your location. You can refine your audience further by selecting interests, demographics, or behaviors. Next, set the ad placements according to your strategy. You can allow automatic placements for simplicity or select manual placements. Proceed to the Schedule section to determine the start and end dates of your campaign. Then, move on to the Ads section to create your advertisement. Upload your media, which can include images, videos, or a combination of both. Add engaging copy that resonates with your target audience. Include a call to action that encourages users to take the desired action. Review all elements of your campaign to ensure they align with your objectives. Once everything looks good, click on the Review button. Finally, submit your campaign for approval from Snapchat. After approval, monitor the performance of your ads in the Analytics dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.